And away they go. The B Division Women's Competitive Final. Lane 1, the Witches of East, Greenwood Boat 5. Lane 2, Philadelphia Flying Phoenix Orange. And Lane 3, the Viking Dragons. These are women's crews. Your B Division.
Number 2 or number 2?
Very, very tight final as the wind completely disappears. Water is like glass out there. You can really see the winds coming off the boats as they get up to speed. They've now reached the stretch. 100 meters down, 100 meters to go, and it is too close to call between lanes 1 and 2. The Witches of East Greenwich Boat 5 and Philadelphia Flying Phoenix Orange. And the Viking Dragons, well, they got something to say about it. They've